I mean, I associate bourbon with country music. That's great. And when you take bourbon and give it the country tour, it's going to have to taste like that. It's just so similar to what goes into a great guitar. The right woods, the right combination of alchemy that makes this intangible, magical thing. And that's really what this is to me.
Brad and I worked on this. It was his concept, actually, to put barrels on the road and follow him on tour. And we loaded 90 barrels on a truck, and it traveled around the country through all his tour stops, called the Rolling Rickhouse, and it traveled with him back in 2019, I think. And we've done it every year when he's been on tour. And we work, Brad and I, on Zoom every week, designing the bottle, the artwork, the logos, the blends, to just come up with something that was him and that was part of the story. Brad is probably one of the first ones that I've worked with that is all in. I mean, he is heart, soul, passion. You know, he jumped with me off the end of a pier into the deep water. The project with Brad's been a huge success, and we partnered with Bardstown Bourbon Company, right? They're doing some of it for us. We launched with 5,000 cases and sold out. He's been up to the distillery, he's visited, he sat around there, met the crew, and met the team. He took out a guitar, sung on top of the barrels. I mean, just he's really been active in it, and that's been fun. And he's put his own money in it. It's a great story. I think he certainly is out there talking about it. We're talking about it, and the product's great. And he loves it, and that's what's fun. We actually, he went and delivered cases to one of the liquor stores in town, you know, surprised him and wheeled in a dolly with case. I mean, he's in it, and he loves bourbon. He loves all that it is. He loves the story. For him, it's like music.